नमस्कारम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द 20th सेशन। आज हमारा 20वां सेशन है गाइडेड मेडिटेशन सेशन का। नमस्कारम भार्गव गौरव, नमस्कारम रीमा करमकार, वेलकम। नमस्कारम आकांक्षा अरुणिमा, glad to see you coming again. Let's wait for a couple of minutes for everyone to jump in. Meanwhile, enjoy the music and let me welcome all the newcomers. Please comment down here which part of the India or which part of the world are you coming here. Just put in the comment section. We'll get started in a few minutes. Namaskaram, Jaya. Welcome to the 20th session. Fantastic, George, coming from Kerala. Fantastic, glad to hear. Jaya is coming from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Sorry for that, everyone. Namaskaram, Priyanka Daryani, welcome back again. Fantastic. Namaskaram, Mickey Addy, how are you? How's everything? Glad to see a lot of people coming again. So, in the next part, I'll ask you guys to comment down if you are coming here for the first time, second time, or the 20th time. So, today is 20th night. आज हमारी 20वीं रात है, 20वां सेशन है, जहाँ पर हम ये 10 मिनट की गाइडेड मेडिटेशन सेशन करते हैं। थैंक यू मिकी, आई एम सो हैप्पी टू सी यू एज वेल ब्रदर। नमस्कारम प्रियांशु रातुरी, वेलकम टू द 20th सेशन। आई हैव बीन डूइंग ग्रेट, यू से मी, हाउज यू? Priyanka Daryani is coming here for the 8th time. George coming here for the 4th time. Hi, Namaskaram Jyoti Singh 024. Glad to see you again. Jaya coming here for the first time. It will be a wonderful experience for you. Nick 3rd time. Mickey 5th or 6th time. Yes, fantastic brother. Let's get started in a couple of minutes. And great. So we are also live from our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's completely free. You can listen to the soothing and the lovely music that we play here. So great. Namaskaram and welcome, Samya, 5th time. Fantastic. Lovely to see you coming here again. So far we have done combined more than 210 minutes of meditation, actually even more than 220. Yes, Jyoti Singh, I just do not forget people who are coming here every day, and I love to see them. I love to see that energy. It's lovely. Fantastic, Divya, that's so lovely comment that you don't count days. Fantastic. Just give me a second, people. Great. Fantastic. So for those who are coming here for the first time, let me give you a quick brief. I am Hitesh Goyal from the Weekend Yogi. I host this 10 minutes guided session every night, and I have been doing it along with you, all of you, for the last 20 nights. Today is our 20th night, and we have done combined more than 2 hours of meditation, actually 3 hours of combined meditation, and it's all about spending time with yourself. And if you're looking for any quick answers, one shot quick answers with meditation, I'm sorry, this is not going to help you. These are the sessions not meant for that, but these are the sessions meant for realizing you that you can spend these lovely 10 minutes with you, closing your eyes. I will be guiding you through the process. You don't need to look at the Instagram screen after a while, and all the replays of these sessions are available on our website, but you have to make sure you sign up there, or they are also available on our YouTube channel. You can find them there as well. Well, for now, let's get started, and here are a few instructions. The instructions are: you are required to be in a sitting position, as I am sitting. You can be sitting on a chair or you can sit on a floor as well. आप चौकड़े मार के भी बैठ सकते हैं cross legged position में. You can sit in a cross legged position as well. Take off your spectacles if you are wearing any spectacles. It's lovely if you can remove them. That will be good for you. And your palms should be facing upwards towards the sky and can be placed on your thighs comfortably, loose and relaxed. You don't have to be very stiff, just keep them loose and relaxed. If you are laying down on the bed, make sure you keep your palms beside your body. Also, make sure for the next 10 to 12 minutes, you are free from any kind of distractions. You just have to follow my voice and I will guide you through the process. And keep your spine and back erect, comfortably erect, head and shoulder erect and straight as well. You don't have to look at the Instagram screen after a while, and you just have to focus on my voice. I hope the instructions are clear with all of you. I will wait for a couple of seconds for you guys to ask anything, any question on the posture. I'll be happy to assist that, or otherwise give me a thumbs up or hit that like button so that I can know we can start. Or any kind of doubt regarding the posture, please. Fantastic. Let's see, I can see some thumbs up. Priyanka, I can see some love also flowing in. George, thumbs up. Divya is ready. Nick is ready as always. Fantastic. Aishwarya Aglin, welcome, and she's ready as well. Akanksha Arunima, great, she's ready. Thanu ready. Harpreet Kaur ready. Samya ready. Great. I'll wait for another 3 or 4 thumbs up and we can get started. Any doubts on the posture? Quickly put them up. Fantastic. Hi, Namaskaram, Heartbreak. We are going to start the session soon. Please find yourself in a comfortable position. Fantastic. So we have a lot of thumbs up here. And before we start, I would like you to adjust yourself. I will give you a moment to adjust yourself. Be comfortable. Be in the sitting position or lay down. I'll wait for you. And I will be putting off the comment section so that you don't have to look at the screen. And as I am closing down the comment section, slowly and gently lower your gaze. Close your eyes. Try to keep a connect and focus on my voice. I will be guiding you through the process. Just keep an attention on my voice. We will begin with taking in few deep inhalation and hold it. So take a deep inhalation through your nostrils and hold it and exhale slowly and gently through your mouth. Take another deep breath through your nostrils and hold it. Hold it and exhale gently and slowly through your mouth. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace, and stillness. With my voice and with your exhalation, release any stiffness inside the body. Take one last deep breath through your nostrils and exhale gently and slowly through your mouth. Find your body relaxing completely. Your body is loose and relaxed. Notice the natural breathing pattern and try to stay with my voice. Starting from your feet, go upwards slowly towards your thigh. Relax it. Release any stiffness to your abdomen, to your stomach muscles. Easen up your stomach, your chest, your shoulders, your arms, and your palms. Go further up to the neck muscles, relax them, to the back of your head, your face, your forehead, and top of your head. Relax. Inhale gently. Breathe in positivity, joyfulness, ecstasy, and exhale out any toxicity, any kind of stress. Breathe naturally and keep a gentle awareness there. If your mind is running away, slowly and gently bring it back to your awareness. Your awareness is on your breath and my voice. Let your mind wander slowly and gently. Bring your focus on my voice. We will begin the journey. Tonight's journey is going to be a walk. Visualize sitting in your home, relaxing, and visualize There's no one in your neighborhood, in your home, in your vicinity, and in your surroundings. Visualize there is no one. Visualize leaving away all the gadgets, keeping the phone at your home. Open the exit of your home and come out. Find it calm, balance, tranquility and stillness. There is just you and no one else. You might be staying in a society, in a flat, in a hostel, in a PG, or your own home. Come to the road outside your home, or maybe the street. There is no one on the street, just you and your stillness. Or maybe come in the aisle of your building where there are lots of rooms, lots of neighborhood people. You are just with yourself, with complete silence, no gadgets, and complete stillness. I want you to start taking a walk. When you are taking a walk on the street, notice your neighborhood, notice and visualize their homes. You are slowly walking, observing everything. It's just you and your stillness. Observe the vehicles, observe the stillness, observe the tranquility when you are walking. Visualize how your neighborhood, your society is relaxing. Everyone is exuding positive energy and calmness. You are just walking alone, observing everything and taking deep inhalation. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace and stillness. As you are walking, say to yourself, looking at the homes, the houses, say to yourself, I love everyone and I am grateful for everything. Say to yourself, I love everyone, everything, and grateful for everything. Take a deep inhalation through your nostrils and exhale gently and slowly through your mouth. Bringing back your awareness to my voice. Taking your own time, in your own time, open up your eyes. Take your own time and open up your eyes. Hello everyone. The comment section is all open again. How are you feeling right now? How was your tonight's meditation experience? It had a lot of visualization tonight, I know, but how did you feel? Comment down, let me know in the comment section, and stay here for another 1 or 2 minutes at least. Integrate yourself. Put down in the comment section how did you feel. Let everyone know what are you feeling right now. Are you feeling overwhelmed? Are you feeling happy, joyful, angry, sad? Anything? Awesamya is saying awesome, fantastic, glad to hear that. Nick is saying good, fantastic. Thanu, as always, feeling refreshed. Priyanka Daryani, nice. Mahi is saying relaxed. Great guys, great. I am just loving the energy actually. I know it was a lot of visualization tonight, but yes, you are getting better at it. Priyanka Daryani, I would say yes, I had something in my eye, in the right eye, in the morning today. So I rubbed it too hard, so that's why I'm just having something. Yes, thank you for noticing that. Fantastic. That was the comment, like I loved it so much. Akanksha is saying moved inwards. So glad. Harpreet Kaur giving a thumbs up. Fantastic. So I have 3 things for you. First of all, after this session, make sure you drink some water. And after that, second thing is I want to say thank you to yourself in the comment section. All of you deserve it. Third thing is please join our yoga sessions if you are interested. We will connect you with trained professionals. Take care of your health, take care of your mental health, spiritual health, everything. Next thing would be subscribe to the YouTube channel, please. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. It will be great. Sign up on the weekendyogi.com. You will be knowing when we are holding these meditation sessions. And please make sure tomorrow night also you come. Tomorrow we will be doing the 21st session. And we'll be glad to see all of you coming tomorrow night as well. And for this section, I will take few questions. If you have any question, I'll take quick questions. I'll try to answer them and we will close the session after this. Thank you. I will wait for a couple of seconds for your questions to come up if there are any. Okay, it seems everyone is quite sorted on their questions tonight. So okay, great. So we will close the session tonight then. Great. Okay, Priyanka Daryani is asking what are the details of the yoga sessions. You can give a message on our inbox. I will reply you there. What are the different packages available for you to take yoga classes? Or Samya, I have been practicing yoga on a daily basis for the last 1.5 years since I have come here in Singapore. But yoga has been part of my life since early childhood. But it was not so professional, not so everyday. It was very then and now. So yeah, but it's right now it's every day actually. Great. So we will close the session now, and thank you very much. Good night. See you tomorrow night, 10 p.m. same time.